Bum, bum, bum. Ay, ay, ay. How's everybody doing today? Welcome to Real Talk with GAF. My name's Alan Lopez. I am your host. And what can I tell you? I know it's been a while since we've done the show. I always say that when I start the show. I don't know why, but it's because we take forever, but it's okay. It's because we want to have great content for you guys. And I'm not kidding when I say that. I think over the years, as I've done this show now for several years, I always it's hard to find good people that want to come to the show and really share um, their talent, their abilities, their skills, their experience, their feedback to the community and whatnot, especially the roofing community.